Assalamu alaikum. This is Alamur Rafi in front of camera. Today I'm going to share how to I came English therapy and why I came English therapy. Basically, I'm a student. Last year I have completed my SHC. After that, I my field was hesitation. What will I do? What should I do? What is better for me? And after that, I came Dhaka City and I visited lots of institute like me for lots of institute available, and I visited Uttara. And after that, before admitted here, I asked some student. I want to need review who is institute best for me, and then I decided English therapy. Before admit here, I visited English therapy whole campus, and I visited English therapy classroom, and I talk some student. They said me, you can admit here because in Dhaka City, English therapy better than another institute. And why English therapy better than another institute? If anyone came here, he will be a good speaker. Not only good speaker, he will be fluent speaker if he obeyed English therapy rules. That's it. Thank you. Pray for me. Assalamu alaikum.